Hey there! In this Future AI review, I'm going to show you a game-changing tool that helps you automate your entire content creation process using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years of experience in the industry. I create these reviews to help you discover the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Future AI through my link below. Check the description for all the details. You don't want to miss them. So, what exactly is Future AI? Future AI is a powerful AI-based software that automates content creation, whether it's videos, images, social media posts, or even articles. It's perfect for anyone who wants to scale their business without spending hours on content creation. What makes it stand out? You don't need to know anything about coding or have a technical background. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having an AI assistant that works around the clock to generate high-quality content for you. Sounds amazing, right? What's inside Future AI? Now, I want to be upfront with you. Future AI isn't a magic tool that will make you rich overnight, but it provides the tools and training you need to automate your content creation process and start earning with little effort. Let me show you some of the standout features that I absolutely love about this tool. Easy content creation. With just a few clicks, you can create high-quality AI-generated content that's perfect for your blog, social media, and even YouTube videos. Whether you want to create articles or visual content, it's all done for you in minutes. Pre-made templates. If you're unsure where to start, Future AI comes with pre-made templates tailored for popular niches. These will save you tons of time and get you results faster. Cloud-based platform. No installations or software downloads needed. Everything is hosted online, so you can work from anywhere, anytime. Monetization made easy. Future AI gives you the power to sell content, use it as lead magnets, or even bundle it as bonuses for affiliate promotions. Multiple revenue streams are at your fingertips. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward. Log into the platform and start a new project. Enter the details like the name, logo, and prompts. Save your project and you're ready to share or sell it. It's super easy to use and you don't need any technical skills. Just follow the training and you'll be creating and monetizing content in no time. Let me show you a quick demo of how Future AI works in action.
Hey there, stop and pay very close attention to this short video for the next few minutes as you're about to meet the true and undisputed daddy of an entire AI world. Imagine if from minutes from now you could get access to the world's first and only app
fully powered by latest AI tech. Kling and Runway ML turns your text, ideas, and Alexa-like voice commands into stunning
4K AI videos, AI animation videos, AI storytelling videos, AI human talking videos, AI character videos, AI cartoon videos, AI celebrities videos, AI Instagram and YouTube videos, AI video voiceovers, AI music and video songs, AI images and arts, AI image animations, AI multi-model content, AI multitasking bots, and so much more in less than 2 minutes. Sounds like a massive life-changing deal? Look, the artificial intelligence is the new global sensation. It's taken the world by storm, forcing every marketer and business owner to bow down to its supreme reign. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because AI produces high-quality multi-model AI content in the blink of an eye, and it's billions of times faster and smarter than humans, and become the new undisputed ruler of the online world with zero competition. But with great benefits come great problems. The world of AI is not free. It comes at a premium price. For example, AI tools such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, Midjourney, DALL-E, and OpenAI are no joke when it comes to pricing. They can easily cost you up to $1,240 per year. And the worst part? Every single day, a swarm of sketchy AI products hits the market, which could potentially drain your wallet completely. But what if there was a better way, where you get the top-notch AI features from around the world flawlessly organized and bundled into a single app without spending a single penny? Introducing
FutureAI,
the world's first and only app fully powered
OpenAI's latest tech canvas that transforms your texts, ideas, and voice commands into
to mind-blowing AI videos, animation videos, storytelling videos, video songs, AI images and arts, multi-modal AI content, and so much more. And the best part? You can even sell these high in-demand multi-modal AI content and videos to our built-in 378 plus million audiences while banking $378.72 per day. Now it's time to unleash the true potential of
FutureAI
and take your marketing game to the next level. Finally, the real daddy of AI allows you to craft stunning 4K AI videos in any niche, generate eye-dropping AI storytelling videos, create Ultra HD 3D animation videos, create AI avatar spokes videos for your marketing campaigns, generate captivating AI characters in cartoon videos, craft viral celebrity talking AI videos with one click, create engaging Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok videos, craft eye-catching 3D video ads for your marketing campaigns, generate unlimited AI voiceovers and video songs in different languages, create and sell unlimited HD AI images, arts, and graphics in just one click, convert any normal image into animated image, design limitless AI logos, drawings, and art like a pro with built-in AI Picasso. And the best part?
with FutureAI.
You can generate a whole army of AI bots tirelessly working for you 24/7 non-stop. Just give your Alexa-like voice commands and get the job done in mere minutes. Now with FutureAI, you can cancel all your expensive AI tools and services and start your very own AI content and video creation agency, charging your clients anything you want. Well, FutureAI is the new age revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, command. Give Alexa-like voice commands. Step 2, generate.
FutureAI
Harnesses the power of
OpenAI's latest tech canvas
and generates high-quality multi-model AI content in no time. Step 3, profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand multi-model AI contents and videos to our built-in 378 plus million audiences while banking $378.72 per day. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you turn your Alexa-like voice commands into stunning AI videos, animation videos, storytelling videos, human talking videos, voiceovers, AI video songs, and so much more in less than 2 minutes? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to FutureAI just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then don't delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of FutureAI at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
Affiliate marketing is a performance-based advertising model where a company compensates third-party publishers, called affiliates, for generating traffic or leads to its products or services.
This will give you a better idea of how effortless it is to create content with AI. Now let's talk about the upgrades. After you purchase the main product, you'll be offered a few powerful upgrades. Here's a quick breakdown of each one. OTO 1, Unlimited, $37. If you want unlimited access to the features without any restrictions, this is your best bet. No more limits on projects or exports. It's a great value at $37. OTO 2, DFY, $197. Want things done for you? This Done For You package sets up everything for you, so you don't have to lift a finger. If you want to hit the ground running, this is the option for you. OTO 3, Autopilot, $27. This upgrade lets you set your content creation on autopilot. Schedule posts and let I handle the rest while you sleep. For just $27, this is an essential time saver. OTO 4, Templates Gallery, $37. Get access to hundreds of professionally designed templates for all your content needs. This is a huge time saver and the quality is top-notch. OTO 5, A-Fortune, 97 A-Fortune gives you the tools to build and manage an AI-powered agency. If you want to make money by offering services to clients, this is a must-have. OTO 6, Traffic Hub, $47. Traffic is key, right? This upgrade gives you traffic generation tools like social media auto-posting and backlink generators. Drive more visitors to your offers. OTO 7, Agency License, $47. This license allows you to sell content to clients and build an agency, all while keeping 100% of the profits. If you're looking to start an AI-powered business, this is a game changer. OTO 8, Supreme, $37. Unlock advanced features like cinematic effects and realistic avatars with the Supreme upgrade. This is perfect for content creators who want to make their work stand out. OTO 9, Reseller License, $97. With the reseller license, you can resell FutureAI as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. If you're an affiliate marketer, this could be a goldmine for you. OTO 10, Giant Bundle, $197. The Giant Bundle includes everything, all upgrades, bonuses, and lifetime access. If you want it all, this is the ultimate deal. What I like and what could be improved. Now, what I love about FutureAI is how beginner-friendly it is. It's perfect for those who don't have a tech background but want to create and monetize content. The pre-made templates are a huge time saver, and the monetization options are solid, letting you create multiple revenue streams. What could be improved? Honestly, if you're looking for highly advanced custom apps or something super complex, this might not replace a professional developer. But for most people looking to scale their content creation, this tool is fantastic. So, if you're ready to automate your content creation and start scaling your business, grab FutureAI through my link below. And don't forget, I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you inside Warrior Plus that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching my FutureAI review. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of FutureAI? Will you use it to grow your business? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.